Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So Sagittarius, let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Sagittarius, fire sign. What are the messages for Sagittarius? Sagittarius, Judgment under the deck. You are going to make some major decision regarding this relationship or regarding your life. There is some major decision making in the month of March, Sagittarius. Yeah, Judgment. Maybe you are waiting for someone or something. Maybe you turn your back from your person. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe you are waiting for them to reach out to you. Yeah, there is some decision making, Sagittarius. So let's see your reading. Past, Hanged Man, 8 of Pentacles and Page of Swords. Maybe you're stuck on something. Maybe you're thinking about your person a lot. Maybe you both are in separation or no contact situation for some. Definitely you're stuck on something. But you are concentrating more on your career, even though you are feeling stuck. But you are concentrating on your career and on your abundance and growth. Definitely you will achieving financial abundance. You are creating more money in recent times. You are becoming independent regarding money. And Page of Swords here, someone want to send message to you. Maybe there is a lot of stalking going. Maybe your person stalking on you on social media. But you are concentrating on your growth and abundance. That is very good in past. Then present, 2 of Swords, 2 of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles. I think there is a lot of indecisiveness about something to make decision. That's why under the deck, the Judgment, because you have to make some decision regarding anything. It could be anything right now in your life. You have to make some decision, but you are indecisive about to make. There is a lot of juggling going between what to do, what not to do, because 2 of Swords and 2 of Pentacles. There is a lot of juggling. Maybe you're thinking about a lot of career options in money. How to create more money, how to invest, where to invest, that type of situation. And 4 of Pentacles, maybe in relationship you are holding back your feelings because you don't want to invest in any relationship right now, because you are holding back. Maybe you have trust issues. Maybe you have waiting for them to reach out to you. You don't want to make first move towards them, Sagittarius. Yeah, there is some indecisiveness right now present. Then future, 9 of Swords, 10 of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. You will achieving financial stability. A lot of material things are coming in your way, Sagittarius. But right now you are in near future you are going through some mental illness, maybe some anxiety, depression type of energy you are going through. But don't worry, it is temporary, not a permanent energy. Because you are getting a lot of thoughts regarding something or someone. You will be in this energy for some times. Do meditation and heal yourself. And 10 of Pentacles, definitely there is some stability is coming in financial, especially there is a lot of money coming in your way. And Knight of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles, someone is approaching you to offer stability. Yeah, maybe this person could be past person for some could be new. Take what resonate, depends on your situation. But I think it's your past person. They realize you, when you are gone, they realize you both. And they're coming back and they really want to offer stability to this connection. And Knight of Pentacles is also very sincere, and they want to offer stability. Yeah, stability is coming in financial and in relationship also. But it will take some time in relationship because they're in very slow moving energy. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Page of Swords. Definitely they're spying on you. They're stalking on you, Sagittarius, a lot. 2 times Page of Swords. Maybe you will receive some communication from your person. And let's see, Sagittarius, your person current feelings. but you are more on your career and abundance. About you are more you are very serious in these recent times about creating more money. You are focused on your growth totally. Two of Wands. They are thinking about you a lot under the deck. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Yes, the Fool. They want brand new beginnings with you. The Moon. They are dreaming about you a lot. Maybe there is something mysterious in this connection. Maybe they are hiding something from you. And the Tower. Without you, they are undergoing some Tower moment. Yeah. When you are gone, they realize you both. They realize your love. Sagittarius. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. There are some misunderstandings, illusions between both of you for some. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Ten of Swords. I think 4 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles and King of Swords. Maybe your person also concentrating on their career right now. They are focused on their career. 4 of Pentacles, right now they are also holding back. But King of Swords, I think they will communicate with you. You will get communication from your person and you will get clarity also. And 10 of Swords, they are in Knight of Swords. Yes, they are rushing towards you to communicate with you. But it will take some time. Again, Knight of Pentacles energy, they are in slow moving. And 4 of Pentacles right now, maybe they are holding back because due to family responsibilities or work pressure. And 10 of Swords energy, they want rebirth in this connection, but it will take some time. They are also in so much pain. Maybe your person have so many problems in their life. And 9 of Pentacles, for some your person is already abundant. I want one clarification card for 4 of Pentacles. Yeah, why they are holding back? Because they are heartbroken. 3 of Swords energy. That's why they're heartbroken. They want to forget about you. They're trying to forget about you. That's why they're concentrating on your career, but it is not possible. That's why they're coming back with Knight of Pentacles energy. And Knight of Swords, you will get communication from your person. And under the deck, Chariot. Yeah. I think they can't. They can't let you go. Definitely Chariot. They want to take things slowly. Definitely there is some moment still. Yeah. They're not moving on. But they're showing that they are okay, but they are not okay inside. Yeah, there is communication coming, clarity is coming. So let's see, let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Maybe for some family issues are involved in this connection. 6 of Wands under the deck. They want success in this connection. Judgment with 5 of Swords. I think they know they hurt you in past. Maybe they not treated you well because you deserve best, Sagittarius. Judgment. They are going to make some major decisions. I think you also going to make some major decision in this regard, in this connection, regarding this connection. Queen of Wands and the Sun. 9 of Pentacles. You also concentrating on your career. Sagittarius, I already told you. You are achieving financial stability. And Queen of Wands, you stand by your power. It's your card. You are very grounded now. You are very powerful. You are taking your control back. And the Sun. Definitely, if your person come back, you are ready to accept them because you love them so much. But you are not dependent on them. You get my point? Yeah, you both are feeling sad for the separation. Definitely this is mutual card. You both want reconciliation. You both are thinking about each other a lot. Yeah, there will be reconciliation between both of you, but it will take some time. This is a struggling period for both of you. I think you both are concentrating on your career, but they're coming back, but very slow moving energy. But you are doing very good, Sagittarius. You are doing your work. You are investing energy on yourself. That is very good. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius. Yeah, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. They're ready to offer this 10 of Cups love to you. You stand by your power. You are very grounded. And there is still a lot of drama, misunderstandings between both of you. think your person not expressing their feelings to you. 4 of Pentacles. They're introvert, not extrovert. So let's see your person overall energy. 7 of Cups, 4 of Swords, 3 of Wands and Empress. They see you as their Empress. And 3 of Wands, maybe this could be long distance. They are also waiting mode to take action towards you. And 4 of Swords, they are not talking to you right now. There is no contact situation. They are undergoing healing and meditation. And 7 of Cups, they may be dreaming about you. This is not about option, but very few, your person may be having options. Even though they are having option, they will choose you. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you, Sagittarius. Okay, surrender to the divine. So if you have any problem, if you have any issues, just surrender to the divine and do your work. Everything will be fine. This is the message from universe. And under the deck, a new start is coming. New moon. A new start is coming. Definitely there is a new start in this relationship. Definitely a new start is coming. Don't worry. So this is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.